The Janissaries, Yenisariler, were the elite infantry corps of the Ottoman Empire, playing a very important role from the 14th to the early 19th centuries.
The word Janissary means new soldier or new army.
These soldiers were recruited through a system called devshirme, where Christian boys, mainly from the Balkans, were taken, converted to Islam, and given strict military and ideological training. The goal was to create a force loyal directly to the Sultan, free from ties to old noble families. The Janissaries were highly disciplined and wore uniform clothing, including a special hat called a bork. Their early weapons included swords, spears, and bows, but from the 15th century onward, they also used matchlock rifles, becoming one of the world's first organized corps of gunpowder infantry. Initially, Janissaries were forbidden from marrying or working outside the corps to maintain their focus on military service.
However, over time, these rules loosened, and corruption grew within their ranks.
By the 17th and 18th centuries, the Janissaries had gained significant political power and sometimes even played a role in appointing or deposing sultans.
Instead of serving the empire, they increasingly pursued their own interests.
Eventually, Sultan Mahmud II decided to dissolve this problematic force. In 1826, during an event known as the Auspicious Incident, the Janissaries were crushed and the corps was permanently abolished.